Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add transition on your Instagram Reels. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So an example of a video where I used transition. As you guys can see, boom, that is what a transition is going to look like. So if you also want to know how to use transitions like this, follow the steps. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on the plus icon, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here, you can see the option called Reels at the bottom. You want to click on Reels. Now once you're in the Instagram Reel creating page, you want to go on camera. Now once you go on camera, you want to shoot a video using it. So I'm going to shoot a 3-second video. So this is going to be my video. Now I stopped recording. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record again, because in the middle of these two recording I want to transition. So I will record another video like this. Now I have two videos with me. Now what I can do is just click on next, and on the next step you can see this edit video option at the bottom left. Click on it, and once you're in this editing page, as you guys can see, right between these two clips you can see the little dash button. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to show you choose transition. So just slide to the left until you see the transition you want. Let's say I like this warp transition. So I'm going to choose this and click on done. And I just added a transition in the middle. As you guys can see over here, it even shows me the transition logo. Now what I can do is click on the arrow at the top over here, which shows me to the right side. And over here, what I can do is just click on share at the bottom. Now my Instagram Reel with my transition added is going to be shared. So that's how we guys can add transition in your Instagram Reels. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.